In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn posts from being visible to connections only to being visible to anyone. This is a great way to broaden your reach and engage with a wider audience beyond just the people you are directly connected to on LinkedIn. Whether you are looking to expand your professional network or increase visibility for your personal brand, this simple setting adjustment can be incredibly beneficial. Let us start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you are logged in, you should find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage, also known as your feed. This is your central hub where you see updates from your connections and content from the pages you are following. Think of it as your daily newspaper, tailored to your professional interests. To change the visibility of your posts, you need to navigate to the top of the page where you see the Start a Post button. This button is usually located right below LinkedIn's main navigation bar. Easy to spot as it invites you to share your thoughts and expertise with the world. Go ahead and click on Start a Post to begin crafting a new post. Now it's time to draft the content you wish to share. This could range from an engaging article link to exciting job news or even a personal achievement that showcases your growth. Anything that you feel would be valuable to share with a broader audience eagerly waiting for your insights. Once you've put together your post, take a glance underneath your profile name. You'll notice an option that controls who can see your post. By default, this setting is often set to Connections Only. Click on this button, which might say Connections or Connections Only, depending on how it's configured. A drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options for your audience. To expand your post's visibility, select the Anyone option from this list. This change allows your content to be accessible to everyone across LinkedIn and even beyond, opening it up to be discovered via search engines outside of LinkedIn as well. Utilizing this feature is especially valuable if your content aims to engage a larger audience or has the potential to go viral. However, before you finalize this visibility change, take a moment to review your post for any personal or sensitive information you might not want widely visible. Once you've ensured everything is just as you want it and you've settled on the visibility setting, click Post. Voila! Your update is now shared with the broader LinkedIn network, ready to be seen by anyone browsing LinkedIn content, even those who aren't directly connected to you. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have broadened your reach on LinkedIn by setting your post to be visible to anyone. Remember, networking is all about making meaningful connections, and by sharing valuable insights, you're enhancing your professional presence. If you plan on posting content regularly for a wider audience, keep this setting in mind each time you create a post. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tip helps you make the most of your LinkedIn experience. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and insights to guide your professional journey.